Oh, hello, Seth at UpGood. Now we're having fun with asparagus. And today I'm going to show you how to select, store, and prep your stocks. So first things first, when you go to the store, you want to look for asparagus that is strong, firm, and smooth. No limp stalks, no wrinkles, and no splayed ends. Another good indicator of fresh stalks is a slight purple hue in the tips. Now, when you take that home, if you're not going to cook with it right away, here's the best method to store it. Grab a glass jar and fill it with about 1 inch of water in the bottom. Then add a pinch of salt into the water because that'll help maintain the green coloring. Next step, chop about 1/2 of an inch off the bottoms of your stalks. Then you can put those in your glass jar, cover them with a plastic bag, and now they'll be ready to go in your refrigerator for up to 3 to 4 days. And when you're ready to cook with them, this is the fun part. But the not so fun part of eating asparagus is getting a tough, chewy end in your mouth. So here's how to prevent that in the future. Go ahead and grab your stalks about roughly in the middle, and with your hand on the other end, bend them in the U shape until they break. Wherever it breaks naturally is going to be the tenderest and crispiest part of the stalk. Voila! No more tough, chewy, stringy strands in your mouth. Enjoy! See you next time.